So we're here wrapping up the IPL build. This will be part 3. We are looking at just finishing up. At the dyno once. We had a bit of a fuel leak when we were up there, so we had to abort mission after about an hour and a half. We got a good base map on it though. Got the car back here, and right at the fuel return, right at the fuel return line on the firewall is where we sprung a little bit of a fuel leak. So fixed that up. Car's back now. We're just doing the final touches. Let me show you what we've got here, just kind of how we tidy this all up to hide behind that bumper. You've got the intercooler piping, the blow-off valves in there. Now this eliminates the washer fluid reservoir, which would normally sit here. So as you can see, I'm just hooking up the washer fluid lines now, running new pipe across here. This is a nice little kit you can get for four-wheelers. Comes with a washer fluid pump kit, just a nice little relocation so we can keep washer fluid, seeing as this is a Canadian car. It's probably gonna see some stuff on the front end of it. Also, we've got all the blankets done up, all the heat wrap. Still have the beauty cover to go on the top. We got our transmission cooler, 10-row oil cooler in there for the transmission from Grassroots. We have the engine oil cooler in behind there, coming up through here, and the transmission cooler lines come up through here. Everything's coming together nicely. It's a very tight fitting kit. It's very clean though. It's just going to be really nice fitment, and with the bumpers on it, it just hides so nicely. All of this fits nice and behind here. Super tight, as you can see. The intake is it's just barely touching that headlight. Super tight how this fits in there. I did have to trim the plastic rad support right here. As you can see, this one still has this plastic up support right here. I had to take it out on this side to get the intake pipe to fit through there. Once it fits up there though, it's good. There's a vacuum line for the blow-off valves, all routed up across this side. And I'm in the middle of putting a boost control solenoid on this. We're gonna hook up to the evap lines, and then we'll be able to give this customer, I think he wants 3 different power levels we're gonna do. So we're gonna go full out, economy, and then just like a daily driving type mode for it. And yeah, so that's pretty much wrapping it up. Here's the dyno video.